how AI is revolutionizing and would redefine manufacturing. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the manufacturing industry by improving efficiency, reducing costs, increasing productivity and quality. AI is a technology that enables machines to learn from experience and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and language translation. The integration of AI in manufacturing process has the potential to completely redefine the industry. According to Spiceworks, the benefit of using CV AI, that is computer vision AI, in manufacturing are vast and not limited to just the assembly line. It can conduct inventory tracking, collect data analytics, improve safety ratings, and enhance security efforts, all areas that are critical to a successful manufacturing process. According to Unite AI, artificial intelligence will not replace traditional robots or eliminate the need for human workers. However, it can work alongside humans to scale operational process faster and more efficiently, improving the bottom line. Welcome to Real World Sci-Communications. Kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you are new to this channel. And to our returning subscribers, kindly like, comment, share, and most importantly, turn on your notification if you are yet to do so. Thank you. Here are some key areas where AI is making a significant impact. Number 1, predictive maintenance. AI-powered predictive maintenance involves using data from sensors and other sources to predict when equipment might fail. These allow manufacturers to schedule maintenance before a breakdown occurs, reducing downtime, operational cost, and increasing productivity. AI algorithms can analyze large amounts of data to identify patterns and predict when equipment might need maintenance. Number 2, quality control. AI systems can be trained to identify defects or deviations in products, ensuring a consistent level of quality across the manufacturing process with greater accuracy than humans. This enables manufacturers to minimize waste and improve overall product quality. This reduces the number of defective products that make it to market, improving customer satisfaction and reducing costs associated with recalls. Number 3, process optimization. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data from manufacturing processes, identifying patterns and inefficiency that humans might miss. This information can help manufacturers optimize processes, improving overall efficiency and reducing cost. Number 4, supply chain optimization. By analyzing data on supplier performance, more effective management of inventory levels and demand forecast, and allocation of resources, AI algorithms can help manufacturers make better decisions about when to order materials and how much to order. These can lead to faster production times and reduced waste and improve efficiency throughout the supply chain. Number 5, generative design. A method of using AI algorithms to generate and evaluate multiple design alternatives based on input from the users. This design process can take many factors into account, including performance requirements, manufacturing processes, and materials to generate optimized designs. This method helps in the development of new materials and products. AI algorithms can identify the most promising options for further development. These can reduce the time and cost associated with traditional trial and error methods. Number 6, digital twins. AI can create digital replicas of physical assets and processes known as digital twins. which can be used to simulate and optimize various aspects of the manufacturing process. This allows manufacturers to identify potential bottlenecks and areas of improvement, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. Number 7, robotics and automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. AI-powered robots can perform complex tasks with precision, speed, and consistency, reducing the need for manual labor. These systems can learn and adapt to new tasks, increasing their versatility and value within the manufacturing environment. For example, AI-powered robots can perform tasks that are dangerous or difficult for humans, such as working with hazardous materials or performing tasks in extreme environments. Number 8, additive manufacturing. AI can optimize the design and production processes in additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, to reduce material waste, improve build quality, and speed up production times. Number 9, energy management. AI can analyze energy consumption patterns in manufacturing facilities and recommend strategies to optimize energy usage, reducing costs and lowering environmental impacts. Number 10, workforce development. AI can help in upskilling the workforce by identifying skill gaps and recommending tailored training programs. This ensures that the employees are prepared for the evolving demands of the manufacturing industry. Number 11, personalized production. AI can enable mass customization of products, allowing manufacturers to cater to individuals' customer preferences while maintaining the economies of scale typically associated with mass production. Number 12, AI-driven design. AI can help designers and engineers to quickly explore a vast design space, identifying optimal solutions for specific design problems. This can result in more efficient, cost-effective, and innovative designs. The main authoritative references using this content include Forbes, Harvard Business Review, and McKinsey & Company. As AI continues to advance, it is likely to play an even more central role in the future of manufacturing. By leveraging AI technologies, manufacturers can improve efficiency, reduce costs, enhance product quality, and drive innovation, ultimately redefining the entire manufacturing landscape. If this piece of information is very educative and useful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you haven't done so. Thank you.